What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be using this RainX headlight restoration kit on this Mustang. Now technically this is the first video of the Mustang, but I'm going to do another video later and post it tonight, and I'll post this video later on in the week, probably this weekend. So technically it is the first video, but you're going to see it second. I want to make sure I get the car all nice and cleaned and stuff before I actually take a video and show everybody my new car. So I went ahead last night, it was late, probably about 10 o'clock, and I did one of the headlights. Here is what it looked like before. That's the passenger one, pretty hazed out and stuff. Here it is on the driver's side that I already done with this kit. Now with this kit, it has 3 different polishing pads that you use on the headlight. For this headlight, I only used one of them, the number 3, the last one that you use, and then the rest of the kit. You have a lubricant, the restorer, and then you have the sealant that you put on last. So I still used all of it, just I didn't use the first pad or the second pad. So I'm going to do that on this headlight and show you guys what it looks like. But I'm very impressed just with using the last pad, pad number 3, on how this headlight came out. It's pretty decent considering what it was. I mean, what the heck? And that wasn't even the proper way. But this RainX kit, this RainX headlight restoration kit, I mean, heck, it works. If I didn't even use it properly and it came out that nice, I can imagine using it properly would do. So let me get started on this other one and show you what's going on. Now what I'm going to do is take the lubricant that they give you, spray it on the headlight, take your number 1 pad, here's the number 1 pad, it's pretty used, and go in circular motions along the whole headlight. And then you're going to want to rinse it off and wipe it dry before you start your next one, and then just keep on going. This is number 1 pad. After you clean it, go with number 2 pad and then the number 3 pad and clean it each time. Once I get done with that, I'll pick it back up again. Alright, I used all 3 pads. Looks a little bit better. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this headlight restorer and you're going to put it on a cloth. I'm using a little shop towel, and start rubbing it in a circular motion like you have been before with everything else. And after you do it for a little bit, wipe it clean. If it's still not clear, do it again. You might have to do it 2 or 3 times to get it to where you want it to be. As you can see, I couldn't get everything up from right here. It's overspray from whenever they painted the car before. I don't know. Whatever. Alright. Now I use that headlight restorer, I mean. And this is what it looks like. Looking good besides that one spot, but oh well. Can't get everything with it, I guess. Now you're gonna use a sealant and spray it onto your cloth, whatever you want to use, my shop towel, and just wipe it onto the headlight. Wipe it in pretty good and you'll be done. Alright, it's probably been about a minute, but I just put that sealant on there. Now it is fresh. It will dry a little darker, but not too bad. That looks a heck of a lot better. Even that spot that was up there. And this one looks pretty good, but not as good as that one. Now I'm curious to see how much will change when it does dry a little bit. It shouldn't change a lot, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a go on this other one, see if I can get it to come out a little better. It's not too bad, but if it could come out a little nicer, I'm not gonna argue with that. Alright, it's been a few minutes, probably about 5 minutes since I've done both of them. I redid this side. It looks even better than before. And I did this side. and my dog washed and supervised. They look a lot better. I didn't take any pictures of it in the daytime today. I forgot, total brain fart. But I did take one of the driver's side last night, before and after. So I'll throw them up, probably right now. So there you have it. If you have probably about 30-45 minutes and a few bucks to go pick up this RainX headlight restoration kit, you can be golden, man, just like me. Look at them. Now, I don't know how long they'll last for, but hopefully long enough. And if I have to do it again, I mean, you can use this kit probably 10 times at least, if not more. If you haven't already, check out some of my other videos. Hit that subscribe button. Till next time. Peace.